Heat pump considerations and expected costs. Vaillant heat pumps are high quality and have excellent long-term reliability. They are designed to work in all conditions and have been tested in extreme temperatures to ensure the highest quality. Here are some typical installation and cost facts to help you make your decision. Installation and location. Air source heat pumps are installed outside the property. Your heat pump should be sited with care. The new Vaillant Plus features flexible space function, which means that your new heat pump can be installed with more siting options. Consult your installer for more information. They are very quiet, and a small distance makes a big difference to the noise level. Split air source heat pumps can be located up to 25 meters from the indoor unit. Ground source heat pumps use a floor-standing indoor unit. To collect heat energy, they require either boreholes, ground collectors, or water collectors. Boreholes are dug straight down and can be suitable for space-restricted sites, but can be more costly due to the drilling machinery required. Ground collectors are shallower and cheaper, but require more land. Water collectors require a body of nearby water. Installation costs. An installer can visit and assess if your home is suitable for a heat pump. You will receive a quote after the survey. The Energy Saving Trust estimates that a typical air source heat pump installation will cost around £11,000, while a typical ground source heat pump installation will cost around £29,000. In England and Wales, homeowners can receive funding of up to £7,500 with the boiler upgrade scheme towards the cost of a heat pump. Through the Home Energy Scotland grant in Scotland, homeowners can obtain funding for heat pumps up to £7,500, with the potential for an additional uplift of £1,500 in rural areas. You can find more information at these websites. Running costs. Only about 25% of the energy needed to run a heat pump is electricity. The other 75% comes from the environment. This means you are much less vulnerable to fluctuating utility prices, as much less electricity is required. Compared to LPG systems, heat pumps can reduce energy costs on average by 43% per year. Visit vaillant.co.uk to learn more about our range of heat pumps. Heat pumps by Vaillant.